Hello world, it's Jason Smith, just reaching out to you on this Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to everyone. I want to do you a quick favor and talk to you briefly about the business propositions that we give to our clients and prospects. Most people think of their business proposition very quickly as a list of features and reasons why someone should buy your product. Well, the way that we perceive it and with the framework provided through the Aslan curriculum that I bring to most of my clients, I wanted to talk to you about the three components that should go into a good value proposition that we consider our other-centered position. What we focus on is not starting with the product, but you start with the point of view of the customer. Whatever persona that you're going to, what is their point of view of, A, what the problem exactly is, how much it means to them, and what are their initial thoughts on how best to solve it. Everyone has some impression going in, if they're feeling some pain, what they should or shouldn't do to remedy it. Start with that as part of the building of your business proposition. From there, you want to think of the unique benefits that relate specifically to that persona. Now, when you talk about features, lots of your competitors already have the same features. You want to talk about the benefits that your product brings to that person, right? What does that feature do for a customer of that type, of that background? And the last thing you want to consider on top of that is your unique differentiator. What is your disruptive truth about the way you bring your product to the market? Maybe you've got a different algorithm or a different way of approaching the problem than most of your competitors do. Hopefully you've got some unique differentiating position on how you all approach it as a disruptive truth that doesn't really jibe with the status quo as what most of the people in the industry would think about as to how to solve the problem that your product or service does. When you put those three together, you've got a value proposition that is unique to the point of view of that persona that you're speaking with, and you can always go to them like a play on a shelf. If you were pulling out of your playbook or anything that a football team might run on the field, you could always go back to that OCP and play that other center position, that value proposition, every time you encounter that same persona. Just a thought that will help you structure the way you go to market and bring messages to your clients in a way that's a little more compelling. If you need help with this or any of the concepts I've talked about here on my channel, reach out to me directly at the information below. Love to help you out.